Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take this motor off. This is a Dometic awning. It was going super slow and didn't have enough strength to bring the awning in. So the first thing I do is remove that outer cap, the plastic cap. It just has 3 different tabs that you push on and it splits in half. And then all I have to do is basically pop the rivets that are holding the motor onto the roller, because the motor will come with what's called the end cap, that black piece. So you need a drill to drill the rivets out of the old one. That way you can release the roller from the motor. What I'm doing, you see me take a few extra steps. I strap that awning arm to hold it in place, because once I take that motor off, if there's nothing holding that arm, since it has that gas strut, it can pop straight out. So that's an important step. You want to make sure you tie down the awning arm. Second thing I do as safety is tie the roller like you see there. I just tie the roller, I throw it to the other side and tie it down somewhere on the RV. In this case, I just tied it to the stabilizers. It's just a safety precaution, just to hold the roller up in case I had to let go of it when I'm in the process and the motor's not on it. I can't put it back on the awning arm. So it's just so I can have something to hold that weight. And then you just need a socket to remove the screw that's holding that motor into the awning arm. So that's basically the whole process. Of course, you have to unplug the motor so you can take it off. Once I pop this last rivet out, I can pull that motor off of the roller, and then what I like to do is just pop the new one on immediately so that it can hold the weight of the roller, and I don't really have to use that rope. The rope is just a safety precaution just in case. So once I pull that out, new motor goes on, and it just needs 3 rivets. When you buy a replacement motor, it will come with the rivets to install. And now you can see that once I have that last rivet in place, all I have to do is add that screw back onto the motor to lock it into the awning arm. And we can go ahead and put those caps on, the plastic caps that cover it. And I just want to run the system to make sure that it works as it should. So yeah, it's that easy. 3 rivets, 1 screw, unplug it, and the safety measures is tying that awning arm so it doesn't pop out, and using a rope to help you with the weight of the roller. Alright, and that's it. A 15-minute job, easy to do. Y'all have a good day. See you next time.